Social media and other recent surveys indicate people are pretty happy in Franklin. Our city team is working to improve quality of life and enhance city services with a budget that remains several million dollars below the 2008-2009 level. The city is partnering to both preserve historic buildings and making sure they are vital, active community assets. These partnerships have taken multiple forms and are promising to bring positive results to the community. Later this year, the newly renovated Five Points office building will be unveiled. This important building will house a new bank and renovated, improved post office space. This public-private partnership resulted in the investment of over $3 million of private funds to downtown. This investment will make sure this landmark and community hub stays active and vibrant for many years. This last year, the old jail was transferred to the Heritage Foundation, which is in the process of making this big house their new home. This multi-million-dollar investment by a nonprofit community organization will bring new life to this building and added vitality to downtown. The Parks Department worked with grants and partnerships to build a new roof and structural reinforcements for the historic Harlinsdale Barn and the Hayes Home. A group called Friends of Franklin Parks is fundraising to help bring the horse back to Harlinsdale, a former Tennessee walking horse farm. And most recently, Bicentennial Park is beginning to take final shape as the Parks Department, the Heritage Foundation, and others are looking to take advantage of grants and partnerships to make the pavilion an exciting venue for our community events. Every day our Sanitation and Environmental Services Department works to provide more services and still keep rates low. In the last 5 years, this department has reduced our general fund contribution by $4.8 million with many cost-saving measures. That equals to an 85% decrease since 2008. Number one, they have reduced costs by contracting our hauling services, saving fuel and driver costs. They accomplished this and did not lay off one employee. Also, by increasing our volunteer recycling efforts by citizens, reducing the amount of trash we are taking to the landfill, we reduce our tipping fees, the money we pay to the landfill to take our trash. Participation in blue bag recycling has reached as high as 58%. That means 18% less trash going to the landfill. The department is open the first Saturday each month for BOPA collection. BOPA is an acronym for batteries, oil, paint, antifreeze, and electronics. Most recently, the Sanitation Department is proposing a new route optimization system and going to a 4-day work week. This new routing technology could save taxpayers $400,000 annually. Let's give our Sanitation Department a hand for stretching your dollars. We have invested more in water management through the integrated water resource planning. This investment will have long-range, much-needed improvements that save money down the road. We are currently expanding our wastewater reclamation facility, increasing both efficiency and capacity. Newer processes are being designed while we continue to be good stewards of our precious resource, the Harpeth River. One major cost-saving program is our leak detection surveys. In 2013, more than 145 miles of water distribution mains were inspected, detecting 44 leaks and preventing nearly 100 million gallons of finished water being lost from the system. This survey cost the city about $20,000, but we avoided spending $225,000 on lost water by detecting and fixing these leaks and not letting your tax dollars go down the drain, so to speak. Our administration and human resource office have been busy making sure we get the highest quality employees and retain them. The city has stabilized our future pension promises and implemented a new classification and compensation plan to ensure we are competitive in the marketplace. Our dedicated and talented employees are our biggest investment and most important resource. Thanks to our Board of Mayor and Aldermen, the new Public Works facility is a reality. The new facility on Columbia Avenue improves efficiency in the use of our equipment, increases collaboration between streets, water, and fleet maintenance staff, and also saves millions of dollars by remodeling an existing facility in an ideal location with room to grow. Plans have been approved for 2 new fire stations in West Haven and the growing southern portion of our city. This will widen our reach and also improve our response times. Many of our fire personnel are trained in advanced life support because 68% of our emergency calls are medical. This cross-training allows us to significantly enhance services without adding personnel. These are just a few ways we are stretching your dollar.